Hi everybody, today I want to show you how we renovate our entire kitchen. We ended up reusing the kitchen cabinets, so the first step was removing all the doors and handles and then cleaning them with a really heavy duty degreaser, like this one. Now, some of the doors were covered with a lot of grease and it was hard to clean them. For that reason, we just sand them down a little bit. This step is very important because when you start painting them, and if they have a little bit of grease on top of them, the paint will start coming out and then you will see kind of yellowish spots if the doors are not clean. Finally, I start painting them. For the first layer, I ended up using a brush, and for the second and third layer of paint, I use a roller. That gave me a smoother texture and they look much better. Meanwhile, I was painting the cabinet doors, the walls and the ceiling of the kitchen were getting painted. When the ceiling paint was fully dry, we ended up installing the new lights. Meanwhile, the cabinet doors were getting dry, I started painting the cabinet boxes. When the kitchen cabinets were completely dry, we installed them back. Now the new dishwasher and fridge were getting installed as well. For the backsplash, we ended up using glass. To make them look white, we gave 3 layers of white sprayed paint and let them dry for 2 days. For the countertop and the stove backsplash, we ended up using one aluminum sheet metal. We like this material because it's very easy to cut and give the shape that you want, and it's easy to clean as well. For all the borders, we ended up using aluminum angles. Now, before we install the glass backsplash, we place one thin layer of packing foam just to create a little bit of cushion between the wall and the glass. Normally, glass backsplash gets glued directly to the wall, but we didn't do that because in the future we want to change the design. For that reason, we use this packing foam so we can take it out easily. In order to hold up the glass, we ended up using more aluminum angles. Now we place the faucet and the sink. The final step was applying the kitchen cabinet handles and done. We finally finished with the entire renovation. The only thing that I cannot show you is how we install the floors. That will be for another video, but this is the end result.
Sink or swim, can't hold back your light and expect to win. Gotta go harder, oh you've gotta learn. Don't suppress your fire, baby, let it burn.
If you wanna see more of the renovations that we are doing in this house, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, see you soon, bye!